Hello everyone, I'm Wang Huan from the AGIC Organizing Committee. Intelligence.Ally Technology focuses on the full range of robotic floor cleaning solutions. Next, we'll invite Manager Wu to walk us through how their products are used.
Intelligence.Ally Technology was founded in 2015 and is a global leader in the commercial intelligent robotics sector. It is recognized as a national high-tech enterprise and a little giant innovator. Our company currently holds over 200 invention patents and software copyrights, with intelligent navigation controllers as its core technology. Intelligence.Ally Technology has built the Alibet multifunctional service robot product lineup for the cleaning and power industries. This is the company's showroom. Here we have the C2, the world's first modular commercial cleaning robot, launched in 2022. It supports floor washing, vacuuming, and dust pushing, and is widely used in settings such as hospitals, shopping malls, hotels, office buildings, and airport terminals. Its key advantage is that all modules are fully detachable, making maintenance simple and extremely cost-effective. Even non-professionals can perform basic maintenance. Another advantage is its long time on the market, with extensive global deployment and validation. Its performance has proven highly stable and reliable. The product has received strong industry recognition and has established channel partnerships with leading robotics companies worldwide, resulting in large-scale procurement orders both domestically and internationally. This is the C2 Pro, an upgraded version of the C2. It adds an automatic water refill and drainage system, allowing up to a month of operation without manual maintenance. Its automation and intelligence level are even higher. This is the C3 Mini. It's a compact commercial cleaning robot designed specifically for small and mid-sized commercial spaces, especially chain convenience stores. Its key breakthrough is integrating sweeping, vacuuming, mopping, and washing into a highly compact body, delivering true one-stop, deep cleaning. Market feedback has been extremely positive. For example, in Japan, customers such as 7-Eleven and Lawson have extremely high cleaning standards. Some stores even require up to 7 cleaning cycles per day. The C3 Mini meets these demands perfectly, handling high-frequency, high-standard, and high-efficiency cleaning requirements, and fully addressing their pain points. This is a power inspection robot designed for indoor inspection scenarios such as substations, distribution rooms, high-voltage rooms, and equipment protection areas. Compared with rail-mounted robots and fixed camera systems, it offers 3 key advantages. First, a compact size with strong environmental adaptability. Second, no additional construction is required, making deploy ENT simple and flexible. And third, lower costs at least 50% less than rail-mounted inspection robots. This is our in-house developed drone docking station. It serves as an integrated control unit for drone takeoff and landing, storage, charging, and visual flight management. By connecting to the cloud platform, multiple drone docks work together to form an inspection cluster, enabling a fully automated low-altitude, grid-based drone inspection network.
That concludes today's visit to Intelligence.Ally Technology. Our thanks to Manager Wu for sharing these insights with us. If you'd like to learn more or have further questions, feel free to contact us directly. We'll continue exploring and showcasing outstanding companies. Be sure to follow us. See you next time.